How you doing? Tammy Nall Tillett here with Campaign 7. Are you ready to rock your glimmer? We have some awesome lip and eye products I want to share with you. What do you think about that cover? I'm loving Avon's new covers. Love it. Since LG has taken over with Avon, we have some awesome products coming out. I love the new brochures they're coming out with. They're rocking it. Okay, so I am wearing the new Kiss My Glimmer. It is GlimmerKiss liquid lipstick, and I'm wearing this one right here. And the lighting is terrible. I apologize for the lighting today. And the color on this one is Sand Opal, and I have it right here. Let me show it to you. This is the container, and that's what I have on. I love this color. I think also in the summer, whenever I get out, when we get sun and then we get more of a tan, which I can't wait for the sun. I'm so over these cold, gloomy, windy days. It's crazy. You know what? Yesterday, Johnny and I walked down to our pond and we threw some catfish food into the pond, and the catfish were just eating like crazy. And I'm like, yeah, you know, it's spring is here. It's warm. I mean, I walked down with just a t-shirt, no coat on over that, and it was comfortable, more than comfortable. It was just great. Walk around the pond, we're feeding the fish. You know, catfish are warm natured. They stay down low in the mud till it's, you know, real warm. But they were coming up and eating, so we're like, yes. And then today, well, last night it got cold quick. It went down to like 36. This morning, when we were up at 7 to take my mom into her orthopedic surgeon because she broke her arm Wednesday night. It's another story in itself. But anyway, got this morning, and at 7 o'clock or before that, it was sleeting, and then sleeting on the way to the surgeon, and then when we left, it was just sleeting like crazy and blowing across the road. I'm like, this is nuts. It was 60 yesterday. It's 30 something today, sleeting, and tomorrow's supposed to be like 54, and then Sunday's supposed to be like 60 something. Kentucky, this weather is crazy. You don't like it, stick around. It'll change in 24 hours, sometimes 15 minutes. But anyway, so again, this is the Sand Opal. And I'm also going to put a swatch for you on the back of my hand so you can see as well. I'm loving that. I don't know if that camera wants to look at that. It does have a shine to it, which is why I think it'll actually be really great once we get a tan. And you know, and I thought, who in the world wants to wear that on their lips? But I think it's kind of cool. Once I got it on, I was like, that is awesome. So now, and then I only got 2 out of this one with this order, and I got this color here. And I'm going to tell you what the exact color is, so give me a second. This is Violet Sapphire. Violet Sapphire, and it says GlimmerKiss. They're just cute little containers. I love them. And they are $9.99. And the Violet Sapphire number, the item number is 479399. And the Sand Opal that I have on my lips and on the back of my hand, that item number is 479293. Oh, hair. And let me swatch this one for you on the back of my hand. And then I'll also add pictures on my social media, Facebook and other places, of me wearing the colors. And I'm just loving these. I'm loving these colors. Isn't that pretty? This one's not, well, it's shiny. Kind of hard to see because of the lighting days, but it's shiny. Depends on how you turn it, I guess. But that's beautiful. That is just a beautiful color. Oh, look at that. I'm loving those. And once, like I said, we get out the sun, we get more tan on us. Oh, beautiful. And you want to see the one that I thought, what? I've already had it on. I don't have it on today, but I had it on. This is Glam Star Eyes. It is called GlimmerShadow Liquid Eyeshadow. And the color I got is the Diamond Dust. It's this one. This one right here. Here are the other colors that they have. That we have. But I want to swatch this on the back of my hand so you can see it. And you can wear it as thin and as thick, of course, with any of them. You can put them on. You know, when I put on the gold, I put it on kind of light, and I was like, and I just put on a couple more layers. I was like, oh, I want it. I want to see the color. Let's don't be scared. So here we go. There it is when you want to wear it just kind of light. Now remember, this is eyeshadow. Goes over your eyes. You will want it to dry. It is a liquid. It dries very fast. Put it as thick or as thin as you want it. So I'm going to do like one swatch here so you can kind of see. Here's one. This is one swatch right here. And over here is where I kind of went over it. So as thick or as thin as you want to put it on. And blotchy skin because of that cold weather. That's crazy. I'm just over comment below if you are just over winter because, and you know, we had a pretty mild winter here in Kentucky. It's not really been all that cold. It's been gloomy more than anything, and the wind. That wind just seemed like it would just cut through you. We have had some pretty cool nights and days with the wind chills being so chilly. I'm just not a cold weather girl. I lived 6 months in Florida and tell you that done me in. I love the warm weather. Love Florida. But anyway, again, so check these out. They are long lasting. I wore this Monday. No, wasn't Monday. It was over the weekend sometime. It lasted all day long. It did not crease. And I tend to have kind of oily skin, which it used to be really bad before I started using the products, and it's a lot better. But still, your eyelids, you know, especially as the day goes on, will kind of crease. And this did not crease. As a matter of fact, it's kind of hard to get off at night. So I would suggest using, and not just to sell the product, but I'm telling you that this is awesome. It is our eye makeup remover. Let me put one of these down. Moisturizing eye makeup remover lotion. It is worth your time to get this, I promise. And should have had that out. I didn't really think about showing that to you, but that is the best thing to take off the eye makeup with. And you can put it on your finger and kind of work it in, and then take your Q-tip or your baby wipe, however you want to remove it off. And in this campaign, it is $8 a bottle, but it will last you forever because it doesn't take that much to use it to get them off. And then what I do is I put it on a cotton ball and just kind of work it in on the top. And then you kind of work it in with your eyelashes over your mascara. Let it kind of soak in, and you're going to take your cotton ball. And I'm not telling you one time is going to do it either. I mean, eye makeup is hard to get off. You know this. And just take your baby wipe, your makeup wipe, remover wipe. Even the rice ones are excellent. And just wipe, until you get it off. And yeah, this stays on so good and so well that, that it doesn't crease, that you're going to need that. And as far as on your lips, that will stay there while you're eating. I tell you what I ended up doing was I put on a couple times of chapstick, and softened it up and was able to remove it. And the only reason I done that was because I wanted to put another shade on to try it. But this stays on. It will stay there. As you see, does not get on your teeth, and I cannot stand lipstick that gets on your teeth. That just drives me insane. So I won't even go out in public with lipstick that's going to get on your teeth. But anyway, so I just wanted to bring that to you quickly. And so anyway, again, this is Campaign 7. My online store is youravon.com/Tillett. That's TNALLTILLETT, Tillett. And also, if you want to join my team, it is free until the end of this month. So you don't have very more days to get that done. Free to the end of this month. You'll go to my online store, and then at the top it says Become a Representative. You click on that. My name should populate and my picture. But if not, ask for the mentor code. It is Tillett, just like my store. TNALLTILLETT. And once you join, send me a PM on Facebook, friend me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube and Instagram. And I have training videos on YouTube as well. So give me a follow on there, and I usually go through the books too. So I will be glad to have you on my team. I'll be glad to have you to order from me, and you can trust me. I have customers that will tell you that as well. You have a blessed day, and I hope that you try these. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.